Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad to have you here today. And today I do have a beauty box. This happens to be mystery box from Eyescream Beauty. Never gotten one of these before, but I did, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. So anyway, let's just get to it, see what's in here, and talk about Eyescream Beauty. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leaving me a comment, all those things I appreciate so much. And so in here, I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Now, I unfortunately just stopped my Eyescream Beauty subscriptions. It's not that I don't love Eyescream Beauty, because their boxes and stuff are so fun to get. And there's always just cute stuff that's, you know, fun, and just really fun makeup products you want to try. But when I tend to reach for my makeup, I was finding that I didn't reach for my Eyescream Beauty stuff as much as other things that I have. So I went ahead, I'm trying to cut back here, so I got rid of the subscription, but I had some points in the store in my account, and so I just picked up this mystery box. So this was kind of the end, my little end of getting Eyescream Beauty. There are some products that I have, I believe, used, but now I don't have any information on these products. I just sent them. They didn't send me with any information, so I'll just we'll see it as we go. So I might have to use my glasses here, but anyway, the first item I have is like a peach. This is a setting spray right here, and it's just called Peach Setting Spray. It's from Beauty Creations, so it's just a mini one. I'll have to see if I like it. It might be one I can travel with, but anyway, so there's the first thing. I wasn't expecting much too, by the way. The second thing I got in here is also from Beauty Creations. No, this is from Bella Pierre. And I'm not going to open this, but it looks like a shimmer, kind of a shimmer lip product. I actually really like the color. I think it could look really pretty on, but I'm not going to open it in case I don't decide to keep it. But there's that. The next thing is from Zizia Cosmetics, and this is their eyeliner. It's probably something I've had too also. It sounds familiar, but so Zizia always has really fun packaging. So we'll see what we got here. Okay, it's pretty. It's just a pretty iridescent light. Okay, so there it is. Just a little, it looks white. And it is white. I actually like that. It's kind of fun. It feels really good. It feels like a good one. Like, I will definitely probably use this sometime. I don't do white a lot, but it's kind of a fun to every once in a while experiment, do something fun. It's taking a minute to dry. It looks like it, I don't know. It kind of went too soon. It kind of smeared a little bit, but it seems like it's pretty on there. Yeah, it's got some staying power. So anyway, that's my third thing. My fourth thing I have here looks like a lipstick, and I don't know who this is from. Okay, this is from a pill, and it looks like, I don't know if you can see in there, it looks kind of like a mauve color. Pretty packaging. Anyway, so it looks like a nice lipstick. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it though, because I don't use lipstick a lot. I do have quite a few though, so there we go. There's that. The next thing we got here is from a pill. Oh, maybe I will keep it. We got a lip liner, and I'm not going to open this either, but this kind of goes with it. So I think this is kind of the color it is. So that's kind of nice. It looks like a nice lip liner. So these two products or it's kind of fun because they go together. And the last thing is another thing that I already own, and I think I might have gotten rid of it. I don't know, but it's the Graveyard Smash Wicked Widow eyeshadow palette, and I've had it, and as I was looking at it this time, I was kind of like, I think I could use this. I think I might use this. I don't know. There's not a lot of colors in here. I'd probably use the greens, the 2 greens and the 2 purples, and I don't know. I think this color is really pretty right here. So it's a fairly, I mean, it's different, but it's kind of a pretty palette. It's got a couple of shimmers, and actually I think it has 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. So there's that. So that's the last thing. This isn't bad for a mystery bag. I mean, I got it free, so with points, but free. So I think they value these. I don't know if you have to pay $50. I think they might have a $100 one too. I don't know. Anyway, so that's what they are. And so we got the eyeshadow palette, the face spray, the lipstick and the lip liner, which is really fun. I love this lip, like a lip gloss, but it's got a shimmer to it. So, and then we got the white eyeliner, which is kind of fun, from Zija. And let's see. Anyway, I guess that's it. That's my little mystery bag. So let me know what you think. I kind of want your opinions on Ice Cream Beauty. Are you familiar with it? Do you get it? I know I've already had I call it entree envy. It's not entree envy. It's I see people get their boxes though, and I kind of envy. I'm like, oh, I want that. I want that. So I don't know. But for now, I just said it. I'm just trying to cut back. So, but I just decided I'm going to take a look at this. Okay, it does. It has a, that is just going to be a squeeze tube, but it has a doe foot. And, oh, you see right here. Let's just try some and see what it does to my... I don't know if this is plumping. It has a real cool sensation. But it kind of gives you, I just kind of did it in the middle. Kind of gave me a little shine there. So actually, this is kind of fun. So anyway, that's it. Once again, like I said, leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. And I appreciate your support. And so thank you for that. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.